Hi, my name is Jonathan Kane, and I come to you from the law offices of Kane and Vitale. I'm an attorney. I've been practicing for over 30 years in personal injury law and workers' compensation. And I believe that giving information to the community, giving information to my clients is the best thing that I can do for someone as a lawyer, because as we know, information is key. And the more knowledge you have, the better decisions you can make for you and your family. So I wanted to talk today a little bit about what are some things you should do if you get involved in a car accident. Well, first of all, you definitely want to call 911 immediately after the accident to get the emergency medical treatment you may need and also to get the police out to the scene as soon as possible. Next thing you're going to want to do is check for injuries. Make sure you and your passengers are safe and uninjured. If anyone is injured or if there's any serious injuries, you certainly want to call the EMS, the ambulance, to come to the scene and deal with any visible or non-visible injuries. Next thing to do, very important, is to make sure your car is drivable. If it is, try to move the car out of the roadway and away from oncoming traffic. Sometimes it can be as dangerous waiting in your car for the police and the EMS as driving in a regular accident. Once you get in the accident, try to drive the car somewhere safe so that you don't end up with another accident. Um, Another important thing to do is make sure after you've checked for injuries and you've called 911 and you've moved your car to a safe location, make sure to exchange the driver's information with the other driver. You can give them your name, your address, and phone number, but also get their address, name, and phone number. And most importantly, get their insurance information. This will be really important because even if the police respond, it can take several weeks to obtain the other person's insurance information. So you're going to want to have that handy as soon as possible. I would also suggest taking the tag number of the other vehicle. That way, if there's a problem locating a police report, we can trace the tag number and find the relevant information and insurance information that we're going to need. Another important thing that I think is new these days, and that's take pictures of the scene, the damage, and any other thing that you think will be relevant. If there's any physical injuries, take pictures of those as well. We all have phones in our car. It's easy enough to take a picture of the accident scene, the damage to the vehicles, where the vehicles were when the accident occurred, and that stuff can be used later to assist you in the process. Next thing you need to do is contact your insurance company. You're going to want to report the accident and provide them with the claim information so that they can begin processing the claim and help you get your car fixed and what have you. You're also going to want to get a copy of the police report. That's easy enough to do. They should give you a case number or sometimes a driver's exchange, which is a one piece of page paper that gives you the information on the other driver and their insurance company. You can get the police report. They're typically ready within 10 days, and most of the departments can provide them to you via email. Um, we talked about it earlier. If you're injured in the accident, it is important that you seek medical attention as soon as possible. Most importantly, to get care that you need, but also to document any injuries that you may have that'll become useful in the future if we are making a claim. And then, obviously, if you have any questions or you need assistance, you can always contact us. We can help you. It's always a free consultation, which means you can call and it's free. We'll give you the best advice we can and try to assist you or at least answer any of your questions. And you can do that at 954-523-5123 or 305-545-5123. It's been a pleasure. My name is Jonathan Kane, and I appreciate your time and attention. Hope you learned something today.